Welcome to your AI graduation day. You've built real AI skills in just 30 days. Now let's prepare for your AI future.
All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're cutting straight through the noise. You know how the internet is literally flooded with those so-called free AI certificates that suddenly demand your credit card at the very end? Well, not today. We're going to reveal the top 5 verified AI certifications with absolutely no hidden fees. We're giving you a clear, honest look at exactly what they cost, how long they actually take, and most importantly, why employers actually care about them. Okay, let's dive right in. Here's our roadmap for this explainer. We'll start by choosing your AI path, then uncover the truth about AI certifications, look at the top free global certifications, move on to specialized and paid certifications, and wrap it all up with an actionable 90-day certification stack. Section 1, choosing your AI path. Because look, before you start chasing down certificates, we got to figure out exactly where you're heading. Honestly, the absolute biggest mistake I see people making right now is trying to collect certificates like they're Pokemon cards. You just can't be a content creator, an automation builder, and a corporate consultant all at the exact same time. You're gonna burn out. Notice the 3 distinct lanes here. I want you to mentally pick just one primary lane for now. Do you want the creator path, where you make things people watch, dealing with content, video, and SEO? Or maybe the builder path, where you fix business bottlenecks with automation and chatbots? Or the career path, where you level up inside a company as an AI-augmented pro? Pick just one for the next 90 days. We can always add the whole shebang later. Let's make this concrete. Take Kimmy and James here, 2 real-world case studies from our research. Kimmy is a freelance accountant out in Lagos, aiming for UK remote roles. Because of her specific goal, her certification strategy is tailored. She's taking the global IBM course and the Africa-focused ALX program. Now, contrast that with James over in Birmingham. He's a virtual assistant trying to bump up to a senior ops role. His strategy? He's doing the IBM course too, sure, but then he's pitching his employer for the Google AI credential. See that? Totally different goals, which means completely different certification game plans. Moving on to Section 2, the truth about AI certifications. It is officially time to talk about the elephant in the room with online credentials. You've definitely seen them, those endless internet lists promising free AI certificates. But as our source material points out, a lot of these are completely out of date, or worse, they quietly hide subscription fees right at the finish line. It's so frustrating. That's exactly why we put every single certification we're talking about today through an incredibly strict vetting process. We checked for real costs, so no surprise paywalls. We checked geographic access, so they work globally, and we verified they are 100% legit. Now, what is really interesting here is the sheer variety of legitimate options once you actually know where to look. We've got 3 that are completely free, 1 that is heavily subsidized, and 1 premium brand name option. We'll break these down one by one in a second, but keep an eye on that best 4 column. Remember that path you picked earlier? That's your compass for navigating this whole matrix. Section 3, top free global certifications. Let's start with the heavy hitters, the ones that cost absolutely nothing and are available literally anywhere. Yup, $0. Zero. Our number 1 recommendation to kick off your journey requires absolutely no credit card, there's no hidden subscription, and no catch at the end. We're talking about the IBM Skills Build AI Fundamentals course. It takes roughly 10 hours, and it covers all the basics: AI, machine learning, natural language processing, ethics, the whole 9 yards. Honestly, the best way to tackle this is just to block out 90 minutes an evening for about a week. Once you pass the final exam with a 70% or higher, you get an official digital badge on Credly, and recruiters actually trust and verify Credly. Fun fact, this is exactly where both Kami and James started, and it's right where you should start too. To put this into perspective, over 2 million learners across more than 170 countries have completed our next free option. 2 million. That just proves you really don't need to drop thousands of dollars to get world-class education. So here we have 2 phenomenal free choices, and it really depends on what you need right now. On one hand, Elements of AI takes about 30 hours. There's no complex math, no coding, and it gives you university-backed credibility from the University of Helsinki. That looks absolutely incredible on a beginner's LinkedIn profile. But if we pivot to the other side, we have Anthropic AI Fluency. Made by the brilliant minds behind Claude, this is widely considered one of the best resources for genuinely understanding AI conceptually, not just, clicking buttons. Elements of AI is perfect for that initial credibility boost, while Anthropic is an amazing second step for deeper, more strategic thinking. All right, Section 4, Specialized and Paid Certifications. We are shifting gears now to credentials that do require a bit of financial investment, but they serve very specific strategic purposes. Yes, you are reading that right, about $5 a month. That's the highly subsidized cost of our next verified program, thanks to some major institutional backing. This is the ALX AI Career Essentials Program, or ICE for short. It's a 6-week structured program specifically designed for African professionals, covering AI literacy, prompting, and leadership skills. Now, older articles out there might tell you it's totally free. Actually, scratch that. Right now, with the MasterCard Foundation sponsorship, it's roughly $5 a month for eligible learners. And it's super accessible. You can use local payment methods like Paga, bank transfers, or cards. This is exactly the program Kemi chose, mainly because she really wanted that structured mentorship and peer community to boost her freelance career. $49. That is the true monthly cost of the final certification on our list, which runs on a subscription model after you get past the initial trial. And we're talking about Google AI Essentials. Obviously, this carries the biggest brand weight, taught directly by Google's own AI experts. But you gotta be strategic about the cost here. It runs on a Coursera subscription of $49 a month after a 7-day free trial. If you want that shiny Google brand name, your absolute best bet is to laser focus and knock it out within one single month to keep costs down. Or do what James did. Use this heavyweight option to pitch your boss and get the company to cover it completely out of their professional development budget. Which brings us to Section 5, your 90 days certification stack. Because look, having one certification is great, but creating a strategic stack of 3, that is a total game changer for how recruiters read your profile. So let's map this out over a totally doable 90-day timeline. For your first 30 days, just put your head down and focus entirely on the free IBM Skills Build AI fundamentals. Get that first verifiable badge under your belt. Then, days 31 to 60, target either elements of AI for that sweet university credibility, or, if you're in Africa, apply for the ALX AI CE program for that structured mentorship. Finally, days 61 to 90, take the real deep dive with Anthropic AI fluency. By the end of this 90-day stack, your understanding is going to compound massively. Your profile completely transforms. And if you're a freelancer like Kemi, yeah, this is exactly the moment you raise your rates. But here's the absolutely crucial point, guys. Earning the badge is literally only half the battle. You have to weave it into your professional presence. Step 1, add an ATS-friendly certification section to your CV. You can use tools like Rezi or Teal HQ. They have dedicated fields for this. Step 2, get it on your LinkedIn under licenses and certifications, and you absolutely must attach the credential URL. If a recruiter can't click a show credential button, it's just a claim, it's not proof. And step 3, when you announce it, don't just do a boring brag post. Share one specific valuable thing you learned and how you're going to apply it. Remember, providing value earns comments, and comments earn reach. So, we've laid out the map, the honest pricing, the exact steps. Now, the choice is entirely yours. Are you walking the creator, builder, or career path? I'm challenging you right now to declare your lane. Better yet, spend just 10 minutes today setting up your free account for IBM Skills Build. Consistency always beats intensity, and it all starts with making a decision today. Remember, having an incredible certification stack is completely useless if it just sits in a digital drawer somewhere. A certificate nobody sees earns you absolutely nothing. So, your future starts right now. Which of these paths are you going to tackle first today? Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you next time.
This is only the beginning of your AI journey. Claim one AI certificate and update LinkedIn today. Congratulations, you're officially AI ready. Stay connected. Your AI future starts today.